Hello, everybody. My name is Silverio Coronado Torres. I am a student of the University of Guadalajara in Cuballes. I'm going to talk about two subjects, and the first one is explosion welding, and the second one is electromagnetic forming. Well, both of these are used on metal, and I'm going to show you what is. Well, explosion welding is basically a solid phase welding process in which explosives, like this, are used to accelerate the parts to be joined into a high velocity oblique collision. So we have a explosive layer and two surfaces, the parent plate and the flyer plate. When we detonate this layer, the flyer plate pushed down by this force. And when when the explosive layer detonates, the flyer plate compresses with the parent plate, and this way the surface are welding. The impact energy laxes the surface and produce a good blend welding bond. So these waves here, it's a signal of the explosion welding. Uh, the explosive layer produces a high pressure in a short time. So when the surface are compressed, it's the result is something like that. Yeah. Uses for preparing blanks or pellets. The explosion welding is used for this, or a combination of materials that are difficult to join using other methods, like copper and aluminum are two different materials and are difficult to join. So when the explosion welding, it's where it's a way to join these materials. The common materials from the explosion welding are uh, stainless steels, nickel alloys, copper alloys, aluminum, titanium, zirconium, and tantalum. Uh, these are from the flyer plate, yeah, and these are from the parent plate, carbon steels, uh, stainless steels too. Yeah. These can be used of both. Yeah. Well, so electromagnetic forming or EMF is a high-speed forming technology that can be applied for shaping as well as for joining and cutting of sheet metal and profile-shaped work pieces made of an electrically conductive metal. Well, this circuit RLC it's a pulse power generator. So we have a die with this form and a workpiece that electrically conductive material. So this is the initial geometry. When we turn on this circuit, the pulses push up the, the material at high speed and with a big force. So the material take the form that the die. Yeah. So when this material take the form, we can turn off this generator and remove the die. The result is a piece with this form. We can cut, we can form it, but the principal application is for forming. Yeah. The process started with the process is started by charging and discharging the capacitor of the pulse power generator. Applications. EMF is most often used to expand cylindrical tubing. When we have a tube, we need the diameter be longer. Yeah. We use this application, the FEMF, from for for expand the diameter. Well, the process works best with good electrical conductors such as copper or aluminum, but it can be adapted to work with poorer conductors with steel, like steel. Yeah. Well, that's all. Thanks for your attention, and see you.